JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta. This particular job, the customer told us that they had 11 areas. So we gave them a quote for the 11 areas. However, once we arrived, and as you'll see as we go through the house here, uh, ended up being 14 areas. That's a closet, small closet. This room here is a bonus room, which this is an after video. The bonus room actually had the most spots in it. As you can see how big it was, we counted that as 2 areas because it was well over the normal size of what we consider one area. There were 3 other bedrooms, 3 on the main floor. The upstairs had the stairs and then the bonus room. The main floor here has 2 secondary bedrooms and the master closet. As we go through this video, you will see there's not anything really to see carpet wise, because again, this is the after video. Because it was such a large number of areas to clean, we didn't want to run a video before and then a video after. We just figured we would get the video at the end because it was such a large job. We had only allotted time for 11 areas, and when it's 3 areas more, anyway. So the stairs going down to the basement had a huge, large area in the basement. As we go across the tile, there is a hallway here underneath, and then there are 2 more secondary bedrooms similar to the ones above it. So as I said, this was a 14 area job, ended up being $560. Like I said, there were several spots, mostly in the bonus room. Coming into the large area in the basement, this is a small pool table. They had a theater room here with a raised area for the quote-unquote theater seating. A very nice layout for this particular house. And then as we go across the playroom, if you will, there's a workout room, which was also really large. The playroom we actually counted as 2 areas because it was, again, so large. Again, this is JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning Atlanta, 770-652-0630.